Long travel leaf springs from AllPro. I'm gonna install these on the truck today. Check it out. All right, so here I have some 6-inch overstock, 2.5-inch wide leaf springs. They actually fit a 90s 4Runner or something like that AllPro sells on their website. But these will work for the truck right now. Right now, what we have on there, the leaf springs are from an old square body, basically just borrowing them. They ended up being a little bit too short because my shackle angle I really don't like. But this will make up for it. So this will be a little bit longer and have a better shackle angle for you. I'll show you that in a second. Right here, we have the stock leaf springs. I have them out here just for comparison because I still have them around. And so what I'm gonna do first is get these old square body leaf springs off and do a little side-by-side comparison for you guys. So let's check it out. All right, as you can see, I just got this leaf spring out. This is the square body leaf spring I'm using. That's the AllPro one I'm putting in, and you can see how much shorter this one is compared to the long travel one. All right, so these are the stock ones, the square body ones I've had on, and the ones I'm putting on, the AllPro ones I'm putting on right now. So that'll help my shackle angle a lot. So can't wait to get these on. Let's get them on right now. All right, so I got this driver's side one in. Looks really good. Way better shackle angle. All right, so everything looks pretty good. This is the old one, and that is my shackle angle now. And we're gonna put in the other AllPro to get that better angle there. I'm pretty excited about that. So the lift, as far as the lift goes, looks exactly the same as what it was. So perfect fit. All right, so one major hiccup I noticed while putting these in is that, or I'll show you on this side since I haven't cut it yet. This right here hangs just a touch too low. So I zipped just about that much off of the other side. So you can see it. That's mainly because of the way that this leaf spring is rolled. On the Chevy ones, they're rolled the opposite way. So it's actually hanging from the top. So anyway, cut out a little bit. It's really not too much. It's not gonna hurt the structure of this thing. So let me cut this side in and we'll get this other leaf spring in. All right, so now I have everything all buttoned up. Let's go test it. Well, there you guys have it. I just gotta say, overall, I'm extremely impressed with these springs. Obviously, they're a little bit better set up for what I want to do, a little bit more travel. And a video I haven't made for these springs is how much down travel they have. It's actually pretty impressive. So they are a long travel spring. And if you want to see that, go over to my Instagram. I'm sure I'll have some videos of that pretty soon. And thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys.